In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a countdown in Kit email marketing. A countdown timer is a simple but powerful way to create urgency in your emails, whether you're promoting a sale, closing cart for a course, or reminding subscribers about an upcoming event. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to set one up using the latest Kit interface and how to customize it so it fits your brand and your specific campaign. First, open Kit and head to your email draft. From the main navigation, go into the Send section, then choose Broadcasts. Find the email you want to add the timer to and open that draft in the editor. Make sure the email content is mostly in place before you add the countdown, so you know exactly where it should appear in the layout. Inside the editor, look to the left-hand side. You'll see a plus icon that lets you add new content blocks. Click that plus icon. As a quick shortcut, you can also just type the / key on your keyboard. That opens the same content block menu, which can save you some time once you're used to it. From the menu that appears, scroll until you see Countdown Timer and select it. Kit will drop a countdown block into your email. If it doesn't land exactly where you want it, you can drag it up or down in the layout until it sits in the perfect spot, usually near your main call to action. Next, click directly on the timer block in the editor. This will open the sidebar settings on the right side of your screen. The sidebar is where you control all the important details, so spend a moment here to get things right. Start by setting your end date and time. This should match the actual deadline of your offer or event. Double-check your time zone inside your account settings if your audience is global, and consider adding a small line of text in the email specifying the time zone of the deadline so there's no confusion. Once the timing is set, customize the look and feel. In the sidebar, adjust the colors and font so the countdown matches your brand and is easy to read. Make sure there's good contrast between the numbers and the background. You can also edit the message that appears after the timer expires. This is a great place to reinforce that the offer has ended or to guide people to an alternative action. When everything looks good, don't forget the final step. Click Save. This ensures all your countdown settings are applied and stored in your email draft. Now your broadcast is ready to create urgency and drive more action from your subscribers.